What is going on, YouTube? Bo Levin here, builder, developer, grumpy camera woman. Just kidding. Back in July, we posted a video. We did an update on our apartments. We started the footings. That was the very beginning of the project. We were super pumped, super excited, and we still are. So, let me walk you through and take a look at this. There's a lot that goes into a commercial building like this. A lot of designing, a lot of thinking, a lot of planning, a lot of scheduling, but we really just want to get to the point and show you the inside of this thing. These are all 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units, around 950 square feet, and they will be available for rent in April. Take a look. I'll let Kendall go ahead and scan through it all. Sorry, we already did the insulation, so you're not able to see all the fun wires, fire suppression, all that the whole 9 yards, fire alarm. But we're gonna go ahead and let you just walk through, take a look, and kind of, you can obviously see what all goes into this thing, because it's a lot. Check it out. So Kendall just walked you through the whole entire update on the inside. That was just the first level. You can see all the metal that you're looking around on the sides. It's our exterior staircases. So those go up on both ends. And then we also have our EIFS guys out here, which we have a video what EIFS is. But you can take a look behind us. We have the charcoal color with our green or stark white is what the color is. And these things are going to look awesome when they're done. We have a lot of stuff happening in the parking lot. This month we'll probably have the majority, I would say 75% of this parking lot wrapped up within 30 days. And this is whenever all the final touches come at the end. And this project's gonna go super fast. We're trying to have this thing done at the end of March. So stay tuned and get ready for a new apartment for you.